This is LiTime today, but this is where it all began. In the beginning, we focused on the 5 fundamental protection functions of lithium batteries. To ensure performance in extreme cold, we introduced a heating pad. After upgrading this technology, we reduced heating time by up to 50%. With our self-developed BMS, the low-temperature protection can safeguard your battery from freezing conditions. For added convenience, we integrated the one-touch control button, allowing you to control your battery with a single touch. But our journey didn't stop there. Mini-sized lithium battery. This is another brand new endeavor of ours. We designed our own molds, using pouch cells to shrink the battery's size to 1/3 and lowering its weight by 1/4, making it only 19 pounds. But that still wasn't enough. Catering to the true need of our customer, we decided to make our battery more intelligent. LiTime now incorporates Bluetooth 5.0, certified by FCC and CE Red, so you can monitor your battery's status right from your phone. What's more, the latest communication feature allows you to view and manage the entire power system through a single host battery, enabling efficiency and connectivity in larger-scale applications. We make all those features into reality for diverse scenarios. Engineered specifically for trolling motors, we keep enlarging the voltage range and protection technology. Our batteries also cater to power and fuel outboards, ensuring your time on the water is carefree and exhilarating. Beyond marine use, our batteries are perfect for all types of RVs, from traditional models to trailers. With LiTime, you can explore further, bringing reliable power wherever you go. We also recognize the need for upgraded power in golf carts. Our custom-designed batteries for golf carts allow you to drive up to 80 km, with real-time monitoring of your battery's status on your phone. And finally, but most importantly, we care about every home. We've developed power systems tailored to residential needs, giving you the flexibility to harness solar energy for a sustainable lifestyle.
I used to run on 60 volt. The problem was there was never a battery out there that these fishermen could go to for use. So I talked to LiTime about coming up with a 72 volt battery and a 60 volt battery. They came up with the outboard motor battery, 12 volt, 100 amp hour. You're able to put 5 batteries in series. As far as I'm concerned, there's not many companies at all out there that you can do that.
Out of everything, LiTime just stand out to me. The product was great. It had everything that I needed. It had everything that a lot of my anglers that fish the walleye circuits needed. The price point was amazing. I mean, you got these big box batteries out there. They're so pricey, and it was great to be able to find a product like LiTime to where people like myself could be able to afford and have lithium batteries inside my boat.
At LiTime, offering the professional service is at the core of everything we do. Our passion for innovation and commitment to excellence drives us to connect with our community face-to-face. From sponsorship in fishing tournaments to expos like ICAST 2024. We're enthusiastic about showcasing our cutting-edge lithium battery and power system solutions. Also, LiTime is proud to be certified by RVDA, FMCA, ABYC, ASA, and so on. With LiTime, you're not just choosing a battery. You're choosing a partner dedicated to quality and the ultimate customer experience.